Today we're at Flint Crossing in Lake Zurich, Illinois. We're going to be utilizing our smart lift system to raise about 165 feet of commercial sidewalk up to the curb. We're going to be using a polyurethane that is super high density and completely water resistant. What's even more impressive is that this material meets the specs for compressive strength for raising and supporting highways and tollways. Our process is going to take place in 3 phases. First, we're going to drill injection holes, then we're going to inject our polyurethane, and then once that's done, we're going to patch those holes with cement. Let's check out some time-lapse videos now. So that's it, about 165 feet of sidewalk raised up to the top of the curb, and we did that in just a few brief hours. So if you have settled sunken concrete and you're looking for estimates, you may run into a situation where every contractor says they have the best solution for you. One way to cut through all of that is to read the warranty, the terms and conditions. You want to look at longevity and to see what kind of loopholes are there. With Acme Concrete, our smart lift system allows us to provide better warranties than the competition. Remember, talk is cheap, is what's in writing that's important.